In this video, I'll compare two really powerful research tools for any e-commerce business, SaleSource and Niche Scraper. Now, whether you're doing dropshipping or Amazon FBA, using the right research tools to find the best products to sell and being able to learn from your competitors can be a complete game changer for your business. Now, if you pick the wrong tool, that's a great way to waste time and money. So make sure you watch this video all the way to the end so I can help you make the right decision. I'm going to cover important information about each of these tools one at a time, including their product discovery features, supplier database, pricing and subscription, automation features, and so much more. I've included the links to both SaleSource and Niche Scraper in the description of this video so you can check them out, and let's get started. SaleSource excels in product discovery, offering a rich array of tools that helps users identify trending products across major e-commerce platforms, whether it's AliExpress, Shopify, and others. The platform provides deep insights into product popularity, seasonal trends, and niche-specific opportunities, enabling users to make data-driven decisions about their product lines. What about market analysis? Well, market analysis with SaleSource is robust, featuring detailed insights into product demand, competitive analysis, and pricing strategies. Users can access real-time data on how similar products perform, which is critical for adjusting marketplace strategies and to ensure that you are competitive with your pricing. But how does it integrate with other platforms? SaleSource offers excellent integration capabilities, especially if you're using Shopify. Users can seamlessly import products into their Shopify stores and synchronize inventory and pricing updates. While it primarily focuses on Shopify, you can also use the valuable data on other e-commerce platforms that you get from SaleSource. What about the supplier database? One of SaleSource's standout features is its comprehensive supplier database. The platform not only identifies suppliers but also provides detailed reviews and reliable ratings. This is super useful for dropshippers that are looking to establish secure and profitable supplier relationships. As far as the pricing and profitability tools go, you get advanced tools for calculating your potential profitability, taking into account various costs such as product price, shipping fees, and potential retail prices. This allows users to forecast their profit margins accurately and make informed pricing decisions. But what about the user interface and ease of use? The user interface of SaleSource is clean and intuitive. New users can find it easy to navigate with well-organized menus and clear, actionable insights. The platform's design is focused on enhancing user experience and making complex data accessible and understandable. So what about their customer support and community? SaleSource offers robust customer support through multiple channels, including live chat, where you can click this help button right here. You can also email them, and they also have a detailed FAQ section. Additionally, it fosters a community of users through its forums and social media groups, where people typically share their tips and best practices, so it's a pretty good community. But now let's talk about what you're probably really interested in, which is their pricing structure, so how much it costs. As you can see, you can pay monthly or yearly. If you pay yearly, you can save a substantial amount of money no matter which plan you use. And so if you look at the plans, you get the starter at $89 a month, professional at $98, advanced at $399, and elite at about $1,000 a month. If you pay yearly, all of these drop, and so you can see what's included in each one of them. I've actually included the link in the description if you want to try it out. They do have a free trial. So what about their automation features? Because that can really make or break your dropshipping business. So SaleSource integrates several automation features like auto syncing of product data, as well as alerts for price changes or new supplier reviews. These features help streamline your operations and keep the business responsive to the changes in market. What about the analytics and reporting? The analytics and reporting capabilities of SaleSource are really good. They're comprehensive. They offer detailed reports on sales trends, product performance and market opportunities, which are crucial if you want to be strategic with your business and your growth. Now, unfortunately, they don't have a mobile app that you can use. So if you do prefer to manage your business on the go on your phone, then you can't really do that with SaleSource, but more than likely you're probably using your laptop or computer anyway, so that shouldn't matter. But what do users of SaleSource have to say about it? What kind of reviews and feedback do they get? Well, generally the feedback for SaleSource is quite positive, especially its in-depth product and supplier insights, as well as the user interface, people like that. Some users have expressed a desire for broader platform support beyond Shopify and also a mobile app for on-the-go management, but that's something that might get added in the future. Scraper excels in product discovery. You can see they have an entire section right here on their website. They've got a product scraper and also a section called handpicked. You get access to a handpicked selection of trending products here. The platform utilizes a robust scraping technology to analyze thousands of products daily from e-commerce platforms like Shopify, AliExpress, and more. Users can search through these products using advanced filtering options, including profitability, sales volume, and recent trends, making it a really powerful tool for uncovering hidden gems. Now, what about market analysis? Well, market analysis is another really strong suit for Scraper. It offers detailed insights into product trends, demand, and competition levels. Users can also access sales data and engagement statistics to better understand the market dynamics of potential products. This comprehensive analysis is essential for making informed decisions and staying ahead in really competitive markets. But what about their integration with other platforms? Scraper provides seamless integration with Shopify, allowing users to easily import products into their Shopify stores. And while the focus is primarily on Shopify, it offers enough information to be useful for people that are using other platforms as well, although direct integration might be limited with other platforms. But what about their supplier database? Well, Scraper does not directly offer a supplier database, but it focuses more on product metrics and trends. Users need to conduct their own supplier research or pair Scraper with another tool that offers direct supplier connections. And what about their profitability and pricing tools? Well, Scraper includes a profit calculator that helps estimate the potential earnings by considering various factors like shipping costs, product costs, and suggested retail prices. This tool is invaluable. It's super useful for quickly assessing whether a product could actually make you money or if it's gonna destroy your business. Now, what about the user interface and ease of use? The user interface of Scraper is straightforward. It's pretty easy, although it doesn't look as beautiful as some other platforms that I've seen, but I guess that doesn't really matter because it's still really powerful and it does the job, which is what really matters at the end of the day. They do have clear navigation and explanatory elements that makes it easy for most users to find all their features. As you can see, their product discovery, market research, and all the stuff is right here on their homepage for you to easily see, so you know exactly what to do. Now, what about customer support and community? Well, Scrapers offers customer support through email and an extensive knowledge base. They also have an active Facebook group where users can share insights, they can ask questions, and they can learn from each other's experiences. So it's a really healthy platform in that matter. What about their pricing? Well, pricing is obviously important, so let's see how much it actually costs. Now, Scraper does not actually have a clear pricing section on their website, which is kind of annoying, but if you actually Google their pricing, you can see a review that tells you that their Scraper Pro plan starts at about $50 a month, and they offer lots of comprehensive features such as analysis of ad spy and Shopify stores. The good thing about Scraper is that you don't have to worry about that because you can actually get started with it completely for free. What about automation features? Now, Scraper does not offer extensive automation features for managing like regular day-to-day dropshipping operations, but its product scraping and analytics can help you streamline the product research phase by a mile. It's just amazing. So what about analytics and reporting? The platform offers detailed analytics and reporting features, allowing users to track product performances and market trends comprehensively. These insights are crucial crucial for adapting strategies and maximizing your sales. Now, if you're planning on using Niche Scraper on your phone, you want to see like the results and check your data. Unfortunately, they don't actually offer a mobile app at this moment, which could be a downside if you're planning on using your phone. Chances are you're probably doing most of your business from your laptop anyway, so that shouldn't really be a deal breaker. Overall, the reviews and user feedback for Niche Scraper is largely very positive, with people praising the really effective product discovery and comprehensive market analysis capabilities. If you look at their FAQ section, they tell you like what's so special about Niche Scraper. Well, they have one of the most advanced product web crawlers available, and it's written by ex-Facebook and ex-Instagram employees. It is capable of analyzing trends and data to reveal true winning products that no other product research service can compete with. So that's a huge, really bold statement. And you know what? The fact that it was written by ex-Facebook and Instagram employees kind of signals that the product is probably really, really good. That's what I would assume if I didn't know anything about it. Clearly, Niche Scraper is an excellent choice for dropshippers focusing on discovering trending products and analyzing market opportunities. Now, as you can see, both tools have their pros and cons, and the best one for you depends on your specific needs. If you're interested in starting a new e-commerce business, or maybe you want to move your existing business to another platform, I'd recommend Shopify. It's one of the most popular e-commerce platforms in the world, and you can try it out for an entire month for just $1. For your convenience, I've included the links to all tools, platforms, and relevant resources to help you with your business. It's in the description box below. Drop any questions you have in the comment section, and I'll do my best to help you out as soon as I can. Thanks for watching.